Hello, the audience in India. Welcome to our channel. And today we are going to introduce NanKai University of Technology. I'm the director of the International Center of NanKai. And we have a few moments to introduce our school. First off, I will show you some pictures. And here is NanKai University campus in the front, and we are established at 1971. And this year, we are celebrating the 50 years old birthday this year. NanKai University of Technology is a comprehensive university aiming at training students to master virtue and wisdom, practice hand and mind. And how we made it possible, we based on 4 different characters like realization, innovation, comprehensiveness, and harmonization. With all these 4 characters, we have a student called Rich, NanKai student. As you know, the Taiwan education system will be a dual-track system of higher education. It means the general university will be cultivation research masters, and that's technology university like NanKai, we call it TBE university, will be nurturing specialties professionals. As you know, when the society move on, there will be many fields need professionals. That's what we are built for, and what the professional come from, like from us. And NanKai University is located at Nantou City. Nantou City is quite in the middle of Taiwan. As you know, Taiwan is a small island, so it's pretty much close to any city of others. We are close to Taichung, and will be easy to go to Taipei and Kaohsiung. And we are surrounded with many famous spots like Summer Lake, Mountain Ali, Huisun Farm, Qingjun Farm, and our students will really enjoy such a beautiful views during their study. There are about 300 foreign students in our school right now, and we established the sister school of 148 in mainland China and Japan, Malaysia, South Korea, America, Vietnam, and Indonesia. And all these students come from different countries will be get together in our campus. We already send our students also to Japan, America, South Korea, Malaysia, and Singapore to do our international program like exchange student and for overseas internship. So as all this we have done, we are looking forward for more students from more other countries like India to come to join us. And there are some few photos to show our school. We have a very elegant library, and you will see the robot in the front to welcome you. And the supermarket in the campus will be very popular, and also some buildings. This one is belong to the engineering department. And we can see the 4 different seasons in our campus also. As you know, in Taiwan, the culture is very very important. So Avenue of Artists is a national build up in front of our school, and we are quite close to the National Craft Park. And we encourage our students to spread their creative. So we encourage them to go in touch with like TV content, digital media, movie, design, pop music, or craft art. And we also have all the shows in our campus in different time from time to time. And we also to strongly recommend our school, our students to enter a different model of study in university. It will be like an industry academic cooperation project. We have 3 years practical training in school and 1 year internship in a company we are working with. So this will be a four years for you study in a university. And after you graduate from the program, that will be your first choice to go to your internship company and stay in Taiwan to be employed. We have opened 8 different departments for the international students. So this is all academic for international programs. The first one is Mechanic Engineering Advanced Particular Group. This one also included a master degree. So you are interested of it, you can go straight right to the master degree. And the second one will be automation engineering. It's very important in our society. And also we have electrical and information technology. If you are interested to IT and how to apply it into the subject, this one will be your first choice. And the multimedia animation and application, this is the one if you are interested in this field. If you are not really concerned about engineering or electrical computer, you can choose our management department. We have 4 different ones. Will be leisure business management. We also known as hotel or resort management. And the second one will be marketing and logistics management. And we also have food and beverage management. And at the last one will be long-term care and management. It's a very subject in Taiwan right now because we have more and more every year. And this one included the master degrees also. I know all the overseas students will be very concerned about our scholarship. This one we show here is from our school. We have a bachelor degree scholarship and a master degree scholarship. And for bachelor degree, if you are accepted by our school, there will be guarantee for 4 years, and in the 4 years will be 8 semester. Every semester you can get $666 per semester. So it will be reduced in your tuition fee. So you don't need to pay in the beginning, and you also can apply for your working permit. And if you are looking for a purchase for a master degree, this scholarship still work. And many students wondering how many students can get this scholarship from NKUT. It means Nankai University of Technology. And for your concern, that every student will be get the degree by guarantee. Because if you are get the admission to enter to Nankai, everyone will have this kind of scholarship. And if you are only want to experience Taiwan but not interested about the degree, we also have the exchange student program. It will be less for 1 or 2 semesters, and you get the diploma you can get back home with. And you start, according to the agreement, this one tuition fee will be, but we only accept if there are 25 exchange students apply for the same time. So this is our exchange student program. Now I want to show you 4 different departments that we are strongly commend. The first one will be a mechanic engineering, because this one is quite a big one in our school. And in this department, we strongly recommend our student can get a license. We have all different kind of license. If you study in a university, the most important part, you get your expert license, and you'll be very helpful if you want to get a job in Taiwan. And it shows your standards. So we provide the whole course that you can take in our school. And also we will take our students to the competitions. And the grade of the competitions is also helpful in when you are after school and want to get a job. The second one I recommend to an international student will be the Department of the Multimedia, Animation, and Application. And this one, we can show you the use like 3D modeling, service robot, VR device, and the laser cutting machine, like still you are interested to handmade, but not have so much time, you can use the laser one. And still live studio and motion capture device. And we also have a center called Creative Learning Center, and you can try all the different machines of this department. 3D printer is also a main approach in this department. So you can see the different work in this department. And the third one will be Department of Leisure Business Management. Taiwan is a place that people really pay attention on their holidays, and especially the leisure activities. So this one will be contained with all kinds, like a resort or camping or gym, all this how to management it. So this the classroom we have, and we'll train students to do. And this department has a special place is about their overseas internship. Before the internship started, we will collect opinions about the student and also connect with the industry overseas, like Singapore and or maybe Korea or Japan. All these places, if they are interested to have the intern in their hotel, they will come to our school and make a orientation. And the students file in, and they have the English training or maybe Japanese training and Korean training. And after that, they will have the 1 year stay in this school, in these countries, and get the experience there. The internship means you can work and learn at the same time, and you get the grade by your teacher and by the company, and combined with that, it will be your final grade. And this one is really helpful because after the working for 1 year, you will know very surely if you are suitable for this field. And most of the students will stay in the company as their first job. Okay, the last one will be Department of Food and Beverage Management. As you know, Taiwan is really interesting about combine all kind food together. So we have Chinese cuisine classroom and Western cuisine classroom, and like a beverage preparing classroom, chocolate room, and a bakery, all that. And beside that, we will make our students to know the benefit, how to run a restaurant or run a bakery. So this one will teach our students when they are in this one department. So there will be 4 different departments that we are ready, and we are strongly recommended for the overseas students. So if you are interested, please contact with us. you can search NanKai University or NKUT on website, and hope to see you.